Do you know, according to the latest update from WHO published in 2018, skin disease deaths in Bangladesh reached 2,794 or 0.36% of total deaths, and only 20% population of our country has the access of skincare facilities. Actually, we are not aware of our skin due to high price, unconsciousness, carelessness, and so on. For this, we are coming three big ideas to solve this matter. Our first big idea is Chot Joldi Toke Surakha. For this, we are introducing one-time instant Vaseline pack. Now you don't have to carry the whole jelly jar, or even you don't have to pay a lot of money to buy this instant pack, or even you don't have to make your hands oily after rubbing the jelly on your skin. You can keep it in your pockets, use it in your convenient time during your office journey or tour. For this, primarily we are targeting travelers and the job holders in Dhaka and Chittagong city. Firstly, we will distribute instant Vaseline pad and leaflets of our online skincare services in train station, bus station, airport, and launch station and different corporate areas of Dhaka and Chittagong city. We will also write travel safety messages in these stations. Secondly, we will set up booths in corporate areas of Dhaka and Chittagong city with our mascot Surakha Prajapati and distribute free instant Vaseline pad and create awareness on skin diseases like dry skin, sunburn, heat problems during summer season, and also our online free skincare services. Lastly, we will distribute recyclable dustbins in these stations and corporate areas with our social message. For our first big idea, Tahsan will be our brand ambassador.
Our second big idea is Aponjon Surakha Sara Bochor. By this, we will try to inform the people that we have to use Vaseline petroleum jelly and lotion not only in the winter season but also all the season throughout the year. For this, we are targeting working class people and senior citizens. First of all, from market survey, we will go to the shops and will ask the demand of various sizes of Vaseline in winter and other season. We will inform the shopkeepers how can Vaseline body lotions and petroleum jelly can protect people from various types of skin diseases. After that, we will advertise through social media and various types of way how Vaseline can save skins and also protect from skin diseases, and also how Vaseline can save skins from being burned from the sun. Secondly, we will set up booths in the parks and fields where the senior citizens usually go to exercise and gossip. We will sell different items at an offer price to them. We will arrange different fun games like dot and dice as well, where they will be awarded with free gift hampers of Vaselines. We will post different online games in the social media featuring Surakha Prajapati, where customer will play this game, will share the post in their timeline. Lucky winner will be awarded with the gift hampers from Vaseline.
Our third big idea is Surakhito Tok Profullo Mon. In this pandemic, we have to use masks, gloves when we go outside. Due to this, we are facing a lots of skin problems. For this, we are targeting garment and factory workers and doctors. Those have to use masks, gloves for their working purpose. First of all, we will start one-click skincare campaign in front of medical and diagnostic center, and we'll go to dermatologists to register them for our online skincare service so that they can provide services to their patients via online. For our second task, that means for the garments and factory workers, we will provide skincare services via telephone call. Also, we will show the effects of using masks, gloves on skin all day long and how an instant Vaseline pad can remove their skin problem through a video named Toke Surakhai Vaseline in front of garments and factories. We will also distribute Vaseline pad and mini packs among them. For this idea, actress Trisha will be our brand ambassador.